Hi, I'm Yalın and I'm the product manager of ShapeMetriX. Today we're gonna go over external 3D point cloud data import feature in ShapeMetriX to generate 3D models. Generating 3D models using existing 3D point cloud data is an alternative workflow to generate 3D models using digital images. Let's have a look. Any 3D LiDAR point cloud data or OBJ file can be imported into ShapeMetriX using the model editor tool to generate a 3D model from existing 3D point cloud datasets. This increases the efficiency and the accuracy to serve as an alternative way to generate 3D models utilizing digital images. Let's import our E57 data into model editor. We can see the 3D point cloud imported into model editor. And if the E57 file contains all the information of color codes, cloud coordinates, laser scanner positions, and the texture, then the ShapeMetriX will generate a 3D surface. If the E57 file does not contain any texture or camera positions, then the ShapeMetriX will generate a sole 3D surface. As we can see, we have the full coverage of the survey and the tunnel face. This file also contains the images which are draped onto the surface. After selecting the reconstruction preset and clicking the import button, we will complete the import process. ShapeMetriX will generate the 3D model. This is the generated 3D model imported from existing 3D point cloud dataset. It's ready for structural mapping. That concludes the external 3D point cloud data import feature. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe.